Everything you need to know about laser diode in 5 minutes. A laser diode is a type of semiconductor device that emits coherent light when an electric current is applied. It's widely used in applications like barcode scanners, optical drives, fiber-optic communications, and laser pointers. Let me break it down for a quick understanding. Let's focus on the basics of a laser. 1. What is a laser? A laser is a device that produces a special kind of light. This light is coherent. All the light waves are in sync, moving in the same direction with the same phase. Monochromatic. It has only one color or wavelength. Directional. It produces a very narrow and focused beam. 2. What does laser stand for? Light. Amplification by. Stimulated. Emission of. Radiation. 3. How does a laser work? A laser works based on stimulated emission, a process described by Albert Einstein. It involves 3 main steps. Absorption. When energy, like electricity or light, is applied to atoms, their electrons absorb this energy and move to higher energy levels. Spontaneous emission. Electrons eventually drop back to their original levels, releasing energy as photons, particles of light. Stimulated emission. When a photon of the right energy hits an excited electron, it triggers the release of another photon with the same energy, phase, and direction. 4. Components of a basic laser. Gain medium. The material, solid, liquid, or gas, where light amplification happens. Examples include ruby crystals or gases like helium-neon. Energy source. Supplies energy to excite the electrons, e.g., electric current or flash lamps. Optical cavity. Mirrors on either side of the gain medium reflect light back and forth, amplifying it until it forms a strong, coherent beam. 5. Properties of laser light. Monochromatic. Single wavelength of light. Coherent. Photons are in phase. Highly intense. Concentrates energy in a small area. Lasers are widely used in science, medicine, industry, and everyday applications like CD players and barcode scanners. The structure of a laser diode is designed to convert electrical energy into a focused beam of laser light efficiently. Here's a breakdown of its key components and layout. 1. P-N junction. The core of a laser diode is a P-N junction made of semiconductor materials, like gallium arsenide, GaAs. In region, contains an excess of electrons. P-region, contains an excess of holes, positive charges. The junction is where electrons and holes combine to generate photons. 2. Active region, gain media. Located at the P-N junction, this is where light generation and amplification occur. When an electric current is applied, electrons and holes recombine, releasing photons through stimulated emission. 3. Reflective mirrors. Front mirror, partially reflective, allows a small portion of the light to escape as the laser beam. Back mirror, highly reflective, reflects photons back into the active region to amplify light through multiple passes. 4. Cladding layers. Surround the active region to confine light and carriers, electrons and holes, within the active region, enhancing efficiency. Made of materials with a lower refractive index than the active region. 5. Contacts. Metallic electrodes are attached to the P region and N region to provide the electric current necessary for operation. These contacts enable forward biasing of the diode, initiating the laser process. 6. Substrate. Provides structural support for the laser diode, often made of a semiconductor material like GaAs. 7. Heat sink. Attached to dissipate heat generated during operation, ensuring the diode remains at an optimal temperature. 8. Encapsulation. Protects the delicate components from environmental damage like dust, moisture, and mechanical stress. Diagram summary. The structure can be visualized as follows. Layers, substrate, cladding, active region, cladding, electrodes. Optical cavity formed by the active region and mirrors. A heat sink and encapsulation surround the assembly. This simple yet efficient structure allows laser diodes to produce a highly concentrated and coherent beam of light. The working principle of a laser diode relies on the physical phenomenon of stimulated emission of light in a semiconductor structure. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Forward biasing. A laser diode operates under forward bias. A voltage is applied across the p-n junction. This causes electrons from the N region, negative side, and holes from the P region, positive side, to move toward the junction. 2. Electron-hole recombination. At the junction, electrons recombine with holes. During this process, energy is released in the form of photons, particles of light. 3. Stimulated emission. Some of the photons from recombination trigger other excited electrons to release photons. These new photons are coherent, same phase, wavelength, and direction as the original photons. 4. Optical cavity and amplification. The laser diode has an optical cavity formed by two mirrors. Rear mirror, fully reflective. Front mirror, partially reflective, allowing some light to escape as the laser beam. Photons bounce back and forth between the mirrors, stimulating more emission and amplifying the light. 5. Emission of coherent laser light. A portion of the amplified light escapes through the partially reflective mirror, forming the laser beam. The emitted beam is monochromatic, one wavelength. Coherent, light waves are in phase. Highly directional, concentrated in a narrow beam. 6. Wavelength control. The wavelength of the laser depends on the bandgap energy of the semiconductor material used in the diode. For example, gallium arsenide, GaAs, infrared light. Gallium nitride, GaN blue or UV light. Summary of process. Forward bias injects electrons and holes into the active region. Electrons and holes recombine, releasing photons. Photons stimulate further emissions, creating a cascade effect. Mirrors amplify and align the light, producing a coherent laser beam. This process makes laser diodes efficient, compact, and ideal for applications like communication, cutting, and medical devices. The characteristics of a laser diode define its performance and functionality. Here are the key features. 1. Coherent light output. The emitted light waves are in phase, same frequency and direction. This coherence makes laser light highly focused and directional. 2. Monochromatic light. A laser diode emits light of a single wavelength determined by the bandgap of the semiconductor material. For example, infrared, 850, 1550 nm. Visible light, blue, red, green. Ultraviolet, UV. 3. High efficiency. Laser diodes convert electrical energy directly into light with minimal energy loss, making them energy efficient. 4. Compact size. Laser diodes are small and lightweight, ideal for portable or space-constrained applications. 5. High intensity. The emitted laser beam is highly concentrated, delivering significant power in a narrow area. 6. Directional emission. Unlike LEDs, which emit light in all directions, laser diodes produce a focused, narrow beam of light. 7. Fast modulation. Laser diodes can switch on and off quickly, making them suitable for high-speed communication, such as in fiber-optic networks. 8. Temperature sensitivity. Laser diode performance depends on temperature. They require thermal management, e.g., heat sinks, to maintain stability. 9. Limited wavelength range. The wavelength of the emitted light is determined by the semiconductor material and cannot be tuned over a wide range. 10. Lifespan. Laser diodes have a long lifespan but can degrade if operated outside their specified power or temperature range. 11. Line width. The emitted laser light has a very narrow spectral line width, making it precise for applications like spectroscopy or data storage. 12. Polarization. The light from a laser diode is typically polarized, which is advantageous in certain optical systems. Summary of key characteristics. Compact, efficient, and precise. Emits a focused, monochromatic, and coherent beam. Suitable for high-speed, high-intensity, and space-saving applications. These characteristics make laser diodes versatile for industries like telecommunications, medicine, consumer electronics, and manufacturing. Laser diodes are widely used in numerous fields due to their compact size, high efficiency, and precision. Here are their major applications. 1. Telecommunications. Fiber-optic communication. Laser diodes transmit data as light pulses through optical fibers, enabling high-speed internet, cable TV, and telephone services. Data transfer, essential for long-distance, high-bandwidth communications. 2. Consumer electronics, CD, DVD, Blu-ray players. Laser diodes read and write data on optical discs by focusing a laser beam on the disc surface. Laser printers, used for precise imaging on the drum, resulting in high-quality prints. Barcode scanners, compact laser diodes scan barcodes quickly and accurately. 3. Medical applications, surgery. Laser diodes are used in minimally invasive surgeries for cutting, cauterizing, or ablating tissue. Ophthalmology, corrective eye surgeries like LASIK use laser diodes. Diagnostics, laser diodes power imaging systems for detecting abnormalities. 4. Industrial uses, laser cutting and welding. High-power laser diodes are used for precision cutting, welding, and engraving in manufacturing. 3D printing, laser diodes provide the focused energy required for melting and solidifying material layers. 5. Military and defense, range finders. Laser diodes measure distances accurately for targeting and navigation. Guidance systems, used in laser-guided missiles and drones. Communications, secure, high-speed data transmission using laser diodes. 6. Automotive, LiDAR, light detection and ranging. Laser diodes enable 3D mapping and object detection in autonomous vehicles. Adaptive headlights, laser-based headlights provide bright and energy-efficient lighting. 7. Research and development, spectroscopy. Laser diodes are used in scientific studies to analyze material properties. Holography, precise and coherent light from laser diodes enables the creation of holograms. 8. Entertainment, laser light shows. Laser diodes produce colorful and synchronized light effects for performances. Projection systems, compact laser diodes are used in modern projectors for high-quality imaging. 9. Sensors, gas detection. Laser diodes help identify specific gas compositions in industries and laboratories. Proximity sensors, used in consumer electronics and industrial automation for precise object detection. 10. Everyday devices, laser pointers, simple and portable tools for presentations and teaching. Optical mice, laser diodes detect surface movements with high precision. Summary: laser diodes are integral to industries like telecommunications, medicine, manufacturing, and consumer electronics, demonstrating their versatility and importance in modern technology. The advantages of laser diodes make them indispensable across a wide range of applications. Here's a detailed look. 1. High efficiency. Laser diodes convert electrical energy into light with minimal loss, making them energy efficient. 2. Compact size. Small and lightweight, laser diodes are ideal for portable devices and space-constrained applications. 3. High precision. They emit a highly focused and directional beam, enabling precise applications like cutting, engraving, and data transmission. 4. Low power consumption. Requires relatively low power compared to other laser types, reducing operational costs. 5. Fast switching speed. Laser diodes can turn on and off rapidly, making them suitable for high-speed communication, e.g., fiber optics. 6. Wide wavelength range. By selecting different semiconductor materials, laser diodes can emit light across various wavelengths, infrared, visible, UV, allowing flexibility for diverse applications. 7. Long lifespan. With proper thermal management, laser diodes offer extended operational life, reducing maintenance requirements. 8. Cost-effective. Laser diodes are relatively inexpensive to manufacture, especially for mass production, making them affordable for consumer electronics. 9. Low heat generation. They produce less heat compared to other light sources, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for extensive cooling systems. 10. Modulation capability. Laser diodes can easily modulate their intensity, frequency, or phase, which is crucial for communication and data storage. 11. Directional emission. Unlike LEDs, laser diodes emit light in a narrow, directional beam, eliminating the need for additional focusing optics in many applications. 12. Versatility. Laser diodes are used in a wide variety of fields, from communication and medicine to entertainment and industrial processing. 13. Robust design. Laser diodes are durable and can withstand mechanical shocks and vibrations better than other laser types. Summary: laser diodes combine efficiency, precision, compactness, and cost-effectiveness, making them a versatile solution for numerous technological needs. Their adaptability and reliability further enhance their appeal for both industrial and consumer applications. A laser diode is a compact and efficient semiconductor device that emits a focused, coherent, and monochromatic beam of light through the process of stimulated emission. It operates by injecting current into a p-n junction, where electrons and holes recombine to release photons. These photons are amplified and aligned within an optical cavity formed by reflective mirrors. Key features: coherent and monochromatic. Produces light of a single wavelength, with waves in phase. Compact and energy efficient. Small size and low power requirements make it versatile. Fast and precise. Can switch rapidly and emit a highly directional beam. Applications: telecommunications, high-speed data transmission and fiber-optic networks. Consumer electronics, CD, DVD players, laser printers, barcode scanners. Medicine, surgical tools, diagnostics, and corrective eye surgeries. Industrial, cutting, welding, and LiDAR for autonomous vehicles. Entertainment, laser shows and projection systems. Advantages: high efficiency and low heat generation. Cost-effective and durable. Suitable for a wide range of wavelengths and applications. In summary, laser diodes are integral to modern technology, enabling advancements in communication, medicine, manufacturing, and everyday electronics. Their reliability, precision, and adaptability ensure they remain a cornerstone in various fields.